Hi, this is Brandy, and today I'm going to come to you really quick and show you my formal table with the lemon theme. Seems to be the theme for this summer. Excuse me. We'll just jump right into it, and we'll start with this place setting and then work our way around the table, describing and pricing out everything. So let's start with the lemon mug, and you know those came from the Dollar Tree. The saucer I had for quite a few years. I don't even remember. It came in like a huge set with serveware and everything, so I'm not sure how much I actually paid. I know it was on clearance because I never paid full price for anything. The water glasses were actually a set, and I've had those probably since my first house, so I don't even remember where I got those from. The placemats, I got those from Hobby Lobby. They were on clearance from last year, so they were probably like 90% off. And I used it blue for my pop of color. The napkins I actually made myself from fat quarters, and I did the stitching, everything on my sewing machine. So you'll see I did 3 different prints. But the chargers I actually got from the Goodwill, and they were in a set. I got like greenery on my table. The chargers were again from the Goodwill. The dinner plates were from the Dollar Tree. The silverware was from IKEA, which I love IKEA silverware, especially for the holidays. You can grab a whole bunch of silverware to seat and, you know, for every place setting, a full set. But I just put out an informal setting for today, you know, for this, because summer's like informal. It's not like Thanksgiving or Christmas where you need a full set. So just a spoon, fork, and a knife. And then we will move over to the next place setting so I can show you the napkins that I made for this one. So I have 2 of this print, 2 of this print, and 2 of this print, which is the yellow polka dot. So then we'll move to the center of the table. I have these floral arrangements. I almost had a freeze right there. Floral arrangements that I made with flowers from the Dollar Tree. The glass rocks or beads, what have you, they also came from the Dollar Tree. The little circular vase, I got that for $1 from the Goodwill. Then we will move over to this candle setup here, the dollar vase from the Goodwill, and the LED candles. It came in like a 7-piece set from Gabe's, and they were on clearance. I can't remember how much for. If I can find it, I'll link it below. This ceramic bowl trimmed in navy blue, like I said, blue just seems to be my pop of color for this season, was from, again, Hobby Lobby, 90% off, so I think I paid like $2 and some change. The bowl of lemons, the faux lemons, came from Hobby Lobby again. I probably grabbed 4 to 6 bags of those because I just wanted it to be lemon everywhere. And then again, I try to make sure everything was symmetrical on both sides. So I set up another candle inside of a little vase and another flower arrangement. So that is it for my lemon themed dinner table scape. So I will kind of pan and show you guys from here, straight on down and over. And everything is coordinating, so I got the polka dots on either end, the little yellow prints on this side, and then the yellow chevron on that side. So that is my spring table, excuse me, it's not spring, summer tablescape. And if you have any questions on anything, and I think I mentioned everything, please drop your comments below. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.